Dr. Drain here. Dr. Drain here, back in the Rain Lab. Welcome back to class. Today we're going to learn about the stormwater collection system. I'm going to play a short video for you. Did you see it? How about now? Those square grates on the side of the road are the tops of what we refer to as catch basins. As it rains or snow melts, the water flows over impervious surfaces, picking up pollutants and traveling into catch basins. After water collects in a catch basin, it reaches the height of an outflow pipe and flows out. But that pipe doesn't flow into the sewer system like most people think. It travels to other catch basins and empties right into our local rivers and streams. And it's not just the water that empties into those bodies of water, it's all the pollutants that carry in them too.